Hi guys, Ben Guilford here, and I just firstly want to say thank you so much for ordering one of our wood-fired oven kits. This is a super short video to cover some updates that we've made recently to the kit that we haven't had time to shoehorn into the main video series or even add to the written instructions. And we want to get these updates out to you so you're not confused. I really want you to enjoy the process of building your oven. So, the very first of the updates is the mortar mix that you're going to use after you've laid your floor tiles. You're going to, in the videos, we talk about using a two-part mortar mix. That's now pre-mixed, and we call it the X45 refractory mortar mix. Okay, so in the videos and in the written instructions, you'll hear me refer to this two-part mortar mix that you used to have to sort of measure out and mix together. That's now pre-mixed for you. All you have to do is add water. So that's update number one. Update number two is the sizing of the calcium silicate boards. In the instructions, for example, in the D105, we tell you you're going to get 4 sheets, but you only get 3. The reason for that is the sheets are quite a lot bigger now, and the layout is slightly different to what you see me use in the video. That's all covered on the calcium silicate templates, the paper templates that come with the kit. It's all described in there for you, so please don't let that confuse you. Another update is the amount of air set mortar that we put in the kit. The air set is there for bedding down the floor tiles. Now remember, with the air set mortar, you mix that with washed sand, hydrated lime, and Portland cement. So a small amount of air set mortar actually goes a really long way. And we used to put a 20-kilo bag in the kit for you, and you would throw out about 3/4 of it. So what we've done is we've reduced the amount of air set that we're putting in the kit just to minimize waste. All right, so that's just a couple of the updates for you. The other thing that I would say is read the labels on the boxes that come with the kit. So you'll find various boxes in the kit, and the label will describe exactly what's in each box, and that will help you find your oven door. It'll help you find the templates for the calcium silicate board, etc., because it's all printed on stickers that are attached to each box. Lastly, there is a letter. We've got a letter that we've printed off. We put in every kit. We put it right at the top of the kit for you. Typically, it's attached to one of the boxes of ceramic fiber blanket. We put that letter in there to cover off any little updates that we've made very recently that we haven't had time to put into the full set of instructions yet. So please do read that. But if you do have any questions, you know the drill. Pick up the phone and call us, because customer support is part and parcel of what you're paying for. So really hope you enjoy the build, and reach out if you have any questions at all.